Hi, Henry. Yow! So, how about we read, let's say it together, ready? Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. That's right. Okay, let's get right to it, huh, Bo? Oh, look. Who's that? Is that a whale with a peacock's tail? And a kangaroo with the wings of a cockatoo? That's a funny picture, isn't it? Hey, Mr. Elephant. So, stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. Let me see if this light here will shed some light on us a little bit. Is that better? I know I look a little bit dark, don't I? But you can see like this half of my face. So what's that elephant doing? Is he trying to hold his sneeze and all the animals are out here kind of afraid, right? Because the last time some major stuff happened. Stand back, said the elephant. I'm going to sneeze. I hate to alarm you, but I don't wish to harm you. My friends, I fear it's clear. Oh dear, you'd better stand back. I'm going to sneeze. Oh no, cried the buffalo. You're so big and strong, and your trunk is so long. Your sneezes send everyone flying along, bumping and thumping down pathway and trail, bouncing and jouncing head over tail. Tumbling and bumbling, your sneeze is a gale or a hurricane. I hate to complain, but please don't sneeze. That's right. No, please don't sneeze, cried the monkeys in the trees. You make such a breeze when you sneeze. The last time you blew us right out of the trees. The branches began to bend and to sway. Some of us landed so far away we didn't get back till the next day. The leaves all went whirling and tumbling and swirling, and the flowers shook for hours. The last time you sneezed, even a cough would knock some of us off. Oh, please, don't sneeze. I love you, Henry. With a shriek, the parrot opened his beak. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, elephant, please, cried the birds in the trees. The last time you sneezed, we lost every feather. We didn't know whether we'd ever get back together. Every parakeet was as bare as a sheet, from his head to his feet. What's more, all the whales had peacock's tails. Ah! And the wings of the cockatoo were stuck on the kangaroo. You must confess, it was quite a mess, very confusing and not too amusing. Even a snuffle makes our feathers ruffle. Oh, please, don't sneeze. Fly, fly, called the birds to the bees. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh no, buzzed the bees, not a sneeze, not a sneeze. The last time he blew off all of our stings, as well as our wings, and we had to make do with rose thorns and glue. That might be one of my favorite parts. I like that. That's hilarious. Furthermore, what a shock! We all had to walk on our knees, if you please, and that's hard on a bee's knees. While our wings grew back in, what a sin! Oh, please, don't sneeze. Beware, beware, called the bees to the bear. Oh, look, it's our favorite part. The elephant says he's going to sneeze. Oh, please, not a sneeze, cried the bear. That's not fair, I declare. The last time he sneezed, he blew up all my hair and left me so bare I spent the whole winter in long underwear. Ha ha! Nothing's quite as sad as a bear that is bare. The poor giraffe, don't laugh, almost bent in half, and the crocodile's snout was turned inside out. The last time he sneezed, a sniff or a snuff, that's bad enough, but a sneeze, oh please, don't sneeze. What's that bear? What'd that bear just drop? Is he eating honey made by the bees? I love you so much, sweetheart. I don't suppose you could hold your nose or wait a while, asked the crocodile with a sad little smile. Oh my, do try, said the fly. We wish, said the fish, you would if you could. The last time you blew off all of our scales from our heads to our tails, and our gills got the chills. Our skin is so thin. If you do it again, we'll freeze. Oh, please, don't sneeze. Look at the elephant's trunk. He stuck it underwater, trying not to sneeze. Oh, my. The zebra yelled, "Yipes! You'll blow off my stripes! Plus lots and lots of the leopard spots, and all the snakes will be tied up in knots." The hippopotamus said, "A lot of us will fall right on our bottomus if you sneeze, so please, don't sneeze." Yikes! I'm sorry, my friends, said the elephant sadly. About all of this, I do feel so badly. If I could keep from sneezing, I would do it gladly, but I have such a twitch in my trunk and an itch, plus a bit of a tickle and even a prickle. You must run, fly, and hop. I'm afraid I just can't stop. I would if I could, but there's nothing to do. What's going to happen next, Henry? Boo! Shouted the little gray mouse, jumping out of his house. He stood right up on his little tiptoes, stuck out his tongue, and wiggled his nose. Eek! Shouted the elephant, jumping up in the air. That's a mouse standing there. I must hide in a tree before he gets me, or jump in the lake for goodness sake. Don't scare me, please. Spare me. Oh my gosh. Are elephants afraid of mice, Henry? Yeah, elephants are afraid of a mouse. The mouse laughed. Oh, pooh. Now what could I do? A little thing like me to a big thing like you. I only wanted to give you a scare, and it worked as sure as you're standing there. Elephant, think about it, please. You completely forgot to sneeze. That's right. Well, what do you know? Cried the elephant. That's so. It's astonishing, confounding as I live and I breathe. I don't think I really have to sneeze. He began to giggle. That's the funniest thing that's ever happened to me. Ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ho. The elephant shook from his head to his toes. He ho-hoed and ha-ha'd. He giggled and guffawed. He chortled and he chuckled until his knees buckled. He sat down and rolled from his side to side. In fact, the elephant laughed till he cried. He laughed till the ground was shivering and shaking, and all the trees were quivering and quaking. The monkeys came tumbling out of the trees, and the stings fell off of every one of the bees. The birds' feathers went flying to goodness knows where. Oh my gosh. Ah! It's happening anyway. He didn't sneeze, but now the elephant's laughing, Henry. And all the hair fell off of the bear. The giraffe bent in half. Ah! And the crocodile's snout, it turned inside out. The fish lost all of their scales from their heads to their tails. Oh, look at the scales flying off the fish, Henry. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, here's your part, Henry. The zebra yelled, "Yipes! goes my stripes! While the hippo went thump on his plump, you know what, bump. And into a puddle, the mouse went curr, plop. That's right. Then he sat up and shouted, "This simply must stop. We're terribly glad you don't have to sneeze. But if you must laugh, laugh softly. Elephant, oh, elephant, please." Great story. I love reading that story with you, Henry. That has become one of Daddy's favorite stories to read with you, Henry. I love you so much. You know that? You know Daddy loves you so much? I hope so. I hope so. That's the most important thing to me, to Daddy, that you know and feel in your heart always how much that Daddy loves you. So much. More than anything. More than anybody in the whole world. And on top of that, not only are we father and son, but you're my best friend. You're my best friend, Henry. Thank you. Thanks for being you. I love the way you do the things you do. And I'm just so in love with you. So be cool. Think big thoughts. Keep those great ideas coming. I love them. You can always talk to me, right? And I will always support you and love you. You're the best. Shaka! Catch him. Oh, thanks. Pow. Pow. Hey. I just can't wait to be with you. I think about you all the time. And everything that happens to me, I want to share it with you. I want to share the whole world with you. So stay cool. And I just can't say enough about how proud I am of you. You are my pride and joy. You're my sweet Henry. And you are my lover boy. I'm so proud of you. Sweet dreams. I could just keep talking and talking, but I want to hear from you, so please do let me know what's going on, and for as short or as long as that takes, I'll always be here for you. Always. You're fantastic. Keep up the great work. I know that you're doing a good job. So keep it up. Your job is to smile and laugh and love. And if you do that well, then you are going to go far. Just be a good person, honey. And remember to smile. I'm saying my prayers. Dear God, thank you. You are so big and so awesome, and you're taking great care of us. And I just cannot wait to see what the world has in store for us. I am so psyched for our next adventures and exploring this great life and this awesome love together. Stay cool, and please give Mommy a huge, huge hug for me. Don't let go. Okay? Don't let go. Here, come here. Pucker up. Ooh. Did you just see right up my nose? I'm sorry. Oh, did you see up my nose again? I'm sorry. Well, hey. Right there. Right there. Hey, how about a bam? A little fist bump and jellyfish. How about a little lobster tail? Pa, 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 pa. What else can you think of? Anything else you can think of? I am always here for you, babe. I love you. I love you. Love tap. Kubo. Peace.